Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening your image and immediately duplicating the background layer so you can work non-destructively. Once done, switch to RGB if needed and make sure your layers panel is visible. Create a new blank layer above the photo and change its blend mode to screen so light strokes become additive. Use a soft, small brush and pick a bright color, white or pale blue, because lightning reads as intense highlights. Now position your brush roughly where the bolt will originate and prepare to draw the path. You'll create the bolt shape by either drawing a path with the pen tool or selecting a jagged shape with the lasso tool. This gives precise control over the lightning trajectory. Once the path is set, stroke it using a small soft brush on the screen layer, then apply a subtle Gaussian or motion blur to soften the edges and add realism. Duplicate that painted layer to boost brightness when needed, and use a low-opacity eraser or a layer mask to carve out thinner forks and taper the bolt naturally. You finish by adding color and atmospheric glow. Open layer styles and apply outer glow using color dodge or linear dodge for intense radiance, dialing size and spread to taste. Then create a clipped hue/saturation or curves adjustment to tint the lightning, cold blue or warm violet, so it matches scene lighting. Group the lightning layers and fine-tune overall opacity and blur to blend. If the bolt reads too harsh, reduce opacity, increase blur, or add a tiny bit of noise. This fixes banding and makes the effect believable.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.